Hey, how's it going, everybody? Grandpa Willie here again. I just wanted to come on here and talk about something that used to aggravate me to death, and come to think about it, it chapped my so many times. I woke up in the morning times to hearing beep, 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 beep. I just felt like I wanted to take a hammer and slam that son of a all the way through the table. That blame alarm clock keeps going beep, beep, beep. I hate them stupid things. But now that I'm old enough that I don't have to listen to that son of a anymore, I'm glad, because I'm going to go home and lay down and go to bed, and I'm going to wake up at 5 o'clock in the afternoon if I want to. There ain't a thing anybody can do about it. So, with that being said, Uncle... Who? Uncle who? I don't know who you're talking about. Shut your up, you stupid moron. I'm doing the film here, not you. I mean, just get out of my face, and I won't talk bad about you no more. Goodbye.